Hello everybody, my name's Tina and today I will be showing you a new collection that will be available on the erincondren.com. When you see this video, it's already going to be live, so I'm going to have a link in the description, and I would appreciate it if you clicked on that link because I am an Ipsy affiliate, so I will get some kickback, but it's no cost to you. So I'm going to start with the accessories and then I'm going to show you the planners. So this collection is for the Focus collection. I would like to thank Tori and the EC team for sending me this box. So the first item that they did send me, if you got the fall seasonal surprise box, you know what this is. Because there was an exclusive, I think it was exclusive, an exclusive item that was in the box, and this is the Focus collection version of it, which is nice gray vegan leather cover, which is cool. And then you open it up and you could plan your whole week. There is something right here, I can't get it off though, but that's fine. And then you have your weekly list. That's what I would do. Write down everything that needs to be done. That's not a specific day. And then I'd put like my appointments and stuff. And then this, I would just put like extra stuff. Like if you couldn't fit here or something like that. And then what's cool about this actually folds so you can actually put it on your desk, which I really like. That's really cool. And then you just fold it back and put it away when you're done. I really like this. Next up, the next item is something that you also got in a surprise box. I can't remember what it was because it was a while back. Again, this is the Focus version of it. And I like the gold stripes. I like this. It's pretty. And so you open it up and it has the weekly spread again so you can plan your week out. It has a to-do list. And I like this. It has like an hour where you can track your stuff. That's cool. I like that. That's different. Because in the other one, I believe these were both to-do lists. So I'm definitely going to use this. Next item that I received, this is a weekly pad. It's got dot grid over here and just grid over here, which is cool because you could do notes and stuff like that, and to call or something like that. I like that. So you could definitely plan out your week. There's a lot of options depending on what you like. I'm sure there's something for everybody. Okay, so this is not part of the Focus collection, but they sent it to me anyway, which is the Ultra Fine Tip Marker 12-pack. And these I do not have. I did want to purchase these, so I'm glad they sent them to me. And the tip is very fine, or super fine, I should say. And I also have the other ones that are fine. This is the tip for the fine one. And I also have the dual tip marker. And this is that tip. I don't know if you can see that or not. Okay, so I don't want to write on here, but I'm going to write on here anyway. Okay, so there's the difference, which is really weird because the ultra fine tip seems like it's thicker than the fine tip. I don't know, is that just me? But that's fine with me. I like all of them, so I'm definitely going to use these. I like using the easy markers. I don't know what that is because when it comes to how I write, and because I'm a lefty, there's certain pens that do not go well with me. But I really do like the EC markers. Okay, so on to the planners. So the first planner that I have is the Pocket Planner. And it has the golden stripes again. Something's on here. Okay, I'm not going to worry about it. So this is the newest design. It's going to be throughout the collection. So this is the pocket. I believe they have Flora and mid-century circles in the pocket. They just came out with them. But this is the focus planner. So we have the 2 years, the next 2 years, which is cool. And some holidays, a notes page, a little calendar, and then like a dashboard. Okay, that's cool. And a notes page, and then we get to the weekly. Now the focus planner they're all horizontal. Now I don't know why they only do the horizontal stuff. I'm assuming it's because the neutral, like vertical and hourly planners are already like this, basically. I don't know. But they're always going to be in horizontal, just to note that. And this starts in January and ends in December, which I believe all the softbound planners do that, start in January and in December. Okay, so we got the whole month, and then we have some note pages. Let's see if it does that for each month. It looks like it does, which is good, because I think you should have notes pages. Like in the daily, you should have notes, like after each week. That way, in case you have to write down anything that's going on in the next couple days or anything like that. Okay, so it does come with two I don't want to say strings, bookmarks, which is usually the case when it comes to the bookmarks are usually two. Okay, I'm trying to get to the end of it. Okay, so it ends on January 1st, which is nice. And you have a bunch of note pages after that. Now this is really a good planner. I know some people like to use small planners, some people like to use medium planners, and some like large planners. Now me personally, I was going to get a pocket one. I'm not a small planner person. I like A5 and above. Or I shouldn't say that because I've kind of been messing with B6. But anything below a B6 I will not mess with. But I was thinking about getting one of these because I was thinking of just keeping it in my purse. Like it's never going to leave my purse. So like if I run into somebody, oh yeah, let's see each other on Sunday and have a barbecue or something, I could jot it down. Or, oh hey, yeah, call me, give me a call, here's my number. You know, anything like that. This is perfect just to have in your purse. That way, in case you need it, or if you're at the doctor's and you want to make a new appointment, okay, here we go. You know, because usually an A5, like rings or whatever, you might only have a couple of months in that. This is a whole year. So you don't have to worry about that when your heart doctor wants you to make an appointment in 6 months. Your 6 months is going to be here, you know, at least for the next year. So that's a good option to have for that. So next up is a focused notebook. So this is another one. I believe this color is new. It's a nice green. I wouldn't say forest green. Maybe a pine green, you know. So, okay, and it's vegan leather as always. So you open it up and it's just lined pages, which is fine, you know. and it does have a bookmark. Yeah, I think the notebooks are the only ones that only have one book. I think the notebooks are the only ones that have only one bookmark, because usually you're going to go to... Wait, am I checking, or is there another one? Oh, there is another one. Oh, okay. Okay, so scratch what I was just saying. So there's 2 bookmarks, which is cool. And, you know, if you have a big purse, this would be another option to do as well, in case you see something that's going on, or, you know, or this would be good for a student that's going to, like, not a regular lecture or anything like that. Like, maybe they have to, like, go to a concert or something and write a paper about it. This would be good to put in a purse or a little bag so you can jot stuff down. I like that. Next up is the A5 Focus Planner. Okay. So, and again, it's in the green cover. Okay, so this one, because it's bigger, it's a little bit different than a little pocket one. So you could actually write stuff down for the year, the holidays, and special dates for the whole year. Or, like, you know, anniversaries, birthdays, anything that's not going to change the date or the month. And then we have the monthly spread. And we have, now this is different too. Okay, so the dashboard looks different. Just a heads up, the dashboard is different in the A5. So this dashboard reminds me of the petite planners, because it's got the 3 sections. It's got the to-do list, and then a little blank section. And this side is dot grid, and this is lined. So just a heads up that they're going to be a little different. Okay. Sorry if you hear that. That's my cat, Moo Moo. He's snoring. And then lastly is the 8x10. So again, we have the gold stripes, which is lovely. I love that. Okay. So then we get the year at a glance. And it's looking like it's going to be the same as the A5. So we have the holidays, we have the special dates, then we get to the monthly. And then the dashboard is the same as the A5 with the dot grid. And then the weekly spread. So let's get back to the planner. And as always, there's going to be 2 bookmarks. We get to the back of the planner. And there's a bunch of note pages. And then the contact page. And then 2023's year at a glance. So that's everything that I received in my box. There are other items in the Focus collection. I know they do have coil planners, and I know there is a monthly calendar pad for your desk. And they also have inserts for the agenda. So I did see that. I was hoping that I got that. So please subscribe, hit that like button, and I will see you next time.